Okay, today we're going to look at exercise 811. Suppose the 2017 financial statements of 3M Company report net sales of $25 billion. Accounts receivable net are $3.4 billion at the beginning of the year and $2.94 billion at the end of the year. Level 1 wants us to find the accounts receivable turnover. This is the ratio that analysts use to assess the liquidity of receivables. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to write that down, accounts receivable turnover ratio. That's what we're trying to find. The way we're going to find this is by first looking at our net sales, which is $25 billion. And then we're going to look at our accounts receivable, and we're going to take an average. We're going to take the beginning number and the ending number at the end of the year, and then we're going to average these two out. And the way we do that is I'm going to take this one plus this one, the beginning plus the ending, and I'm going to divide that by 2, and that gives me my average. To find my ratio, I simply take the net sales, $25 billion, divided by the accounts receivable average, and that gives me my net sales. My accounts receivable turnover ratio. And it wanted at just 1 point. Now, B wants us to find the average collection period. So this is really simple. We just take 365 days in a year divided by our accounts receivable turnover ratio. And that tells us how many days. Once again, it asks for 1 decimal point. So we have 46.3 days. Let's check and see if that's correct. A, 7.9. B, 46.3 days. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Pretty simple.